We love sharing videos of refreshing juice recipes on our channel. This combination cleanses your body and prevents many diseases. Did you know about it? Lemon and mint juice helps reduce stress and depression, relaxes muscles and nerves, improves muscle function and blood circulation, regulates the levels of electrolytes, eliminates toxins, treats sleeping disorders, in addition to boosting your energy. Mint and lemon are very refreshing and have a relaxing effect on your body, and also prevent and cure many diseases. Mint, thanks to its analgesic powers, alleviates muscle pains, period cramps, headaches, and joint pain. Lemon also has great benefits to our body, and it is not for nothing that it shows up in many recipes on our channel. It is great to fight colds and flu, diabetes, and allergies. It also has tangerine, a phytochemical that fights brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Inhaling the scents of your juice while drinking, it helps to strengthen your memory. The smell of this mix will keep your brain alert and help with your cognitive development. Want to know the recipe? Ingredients: 1 bundle of mint, 3 lemons, and 1 cup of ice. Directions: squeeze the lemons and rinse the mint leaves thoroughly. Put all ingredients in a blender and mix until it's smooth. Now relax and enjoy this natural and refreshing juice while mint and lemon do their work. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.